WinTeam is a virtual goldmine of business data for janitorial contractors, and all that financial operation workforce information is in one holistic solution. Combine that with our business analytic tools, and you got valuable insight that's hard to find anywhere else. With our business analytics and reporting offerings, get more out of the data you would have in WinTeam with advanced business analytic tools. Team's ERP solution has more than 100 standard reports and a dashboard that highlights key company metrics. Add on a custom business intelligence tool to achieve unparalleled insight. Business analytic tools help you transform the data in OneTeam and mine it for more value. Focus on opportunities, act, and stay competitive. Discover more value. Our business analytic tools help you mine WinTeam data to gain actionable insight and stay ahead of issues. Unlocked and preloaded. Don't waste time with your data configuration. Our business analytic tools come with preloaded reports, visuals, and dashboards. Seamless integration. Business analytic tools work with the financial operations and workforce management data you already have. Get information you want. Want to explore the data? Create custom reports and timely analysis yourself for business intelligence. With Team Insights and Business Intelligence products, you will find these tools allow you to visualize your data, are seriously smart and surprisingly simple. Insights. Visualize your data. Insights unlock more value from the data you would have in OneTeam. See key performance indicators and easy-to-read charts and graphs. Review what matters to janitorial contractors, from overtime, budgets, revenue, and customer information. Stay on track with near real-time updates on financial and operations data. Make better business decisions today with preloaded business analytics and reports. No configuration necessary. Business intelligence, seriously smart and surprisingly simple. Business intelligence, an advanced business analytic tool from Team, helps you dig into your WinTeam data. You can use pre-built reports and dashboards for an at-a-glance analytic with the combined power of SAP Business Objects and a WinTeam data warehouse. Slice and dice your data to create custom reports or scheduled reports to run and share with key stakeholders automatically. This in-depth analysis can help janitorial contractors be proactive, see growth opportunities, and make better business decisions.